Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into the, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 5070s. As per our expectation, we thought that the price will be opening a bit lower, and we thought we can stay on the downside initially. If the price is constantly staying above 5060, we can buy, but things happen in the reversed way. So initially the price tried to take support near 5060. Finally a breakdown below 5050 pushed the price down very heavily towards 4880. So purely we thought that we need to trade on both the ways in the yesterday's trading session, and we made it very clear if the price is coming down below 5050, there are many chances that the price will go for selling. So what we can do today it's expected to open somewhere near 4860. You can expect a lower opening compared to the previous day's closing. So today what we can do, we can go for a market watch and see how the price is reacting, because we don't want to take risk. Yesterday we went short, and we could have made some profit. So we are comfortably staying in some positions where we don't want to take a risk for today, because there are possible chances the price can continue its downtrend, or it can give you a complete U-turn on the buying side. So it's a quite tough day for us to do a trading or to take a trading decision. So it's going to be a market watch day. Let's see how the price is reacting for today, then we will take a trading decision. So thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.